Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to sign in to Tendopay. So without further ado, let's get started right away. Open up a web browser of your choice and go to the URL box and type in tendopay.ph and search. You will then find yourself in the official website of Tendopay. Click on the click here link at the top of the screen and click on sign in at the top right. If you want to sign in as an employee, go to the email text box and enter a valid email address associated with your account. Now, enter your account's password on the next field. If you don't remember your password, click the forgot your password link and follow through the prompts. After filling in both of your credentials, click on login and you will then be able to log into your Tendopay account. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.